AI art generators are flourishing in popularity by creating photorealistic images. AI art generators are inspiring artists and non-artists to generate some explorative artworks for their personal and commercial uses. Most of the tools use deep learning, natural language processing, and machine learning to generate the art. It is super easy to use. With these tools, artists and AI can collaborate to make stunning artworks. With that being said, let's check out some of these AI art generating tools. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Dali 2. The tool can be used to create illustrations, design products, and generate new ideas for business. Dali 2's easy-to-use interface makes it possible for anyone to create high-quality images with AI. This means that not only professional artists will find value in Dali 2, but amateur artists can also use the tool. One of the best tools offered by Dali 2 is its paintbrush, which enables you to add details like shadows, highlights, and more to your image. Tools like the paintbrush allow you to create complex images with multiple layers, each one customized with its own properties. Some of the features of Dali 2 are: 1. You can create highly realistic images in minutes. 2. You can use the tool to design products. 3. Dali 2 can even make renditions of famous and original artworks. Number 2. Art Breeder. One of the most well-known names among AI art generators is Art Breeder, which is an image quality enhancer. The tool enables you to produce different variations of an image through the use of machine learning. You can create landscapes, anime figures, portraits, and various other works of art on a single platform. Some of the other tools include the ability to change facial features like skin color, hair, and eyes. You can also turn photos into animated figures. Some of the features of Art Breeder are: 1. The results can then be downloaded in JPG or PNG format. 2. You can make folders in their cloud and save the art. 3. The quality of their images is high. Number 3. Starry AI. Starry AI, one of the rudimentary AI art generators, has a unified interface and functionality that allows you to turn your ideas into a masterwork within 20 minutes. You can use the finalized artwork for your NFT project, get a print, or share it on social media. The basic technology in this software is machine learning, which processes images and recommends some additional filters to deliver a perfect fit for your requirement. Some of the features of Starry AI are: 1. Its Granular Control interface helps you tweak the art. 2. It offers you extra credits to increase the AI's runtime to have a better image. 3. Free users are allowed to create 5 stunning art pieces daily without watermarks. Number 4. Midjourney. This AI art generator uses AI and ML to create super detailed and creepy cool paintings. The art is so evocative you can easily convince someone to believe they were created with human hands. Even if you type strange and convoluted prompts, it will spit out jaw-dropping art. Some of the features of Midjourney are: 1. You can change your images using a draw, filter, display, etc. 2. It allows you to create line sketch images. 3. It works with high speed. 4. It has flexible integrations. Number 5. Big Sleep. Big Sleep creates realistic images from scratch. Like some of the other AI art generators, it is easy to use by anyone. It only takes a few steps to create one realistic image. Big Sleep is based on Python, and it uses a neural network to carry out image creation. After providing input data to the program, it outputs an image. It achieves this through a generative adversarial network. The generator model creates the image while the discriminator model distinguishes between real and fake. This helps Big Sleep achieve highly realistic images over time. Some of the features of Big Sleep are: 1. It creates realistic artwork from scratch. 2. It's super easy to use. 3. It uses a combination of AI, GN, and also Python to generate art. Number 6. Night Cafe. This AI art generator has various artistic styles to choose from, such as cosmic, mate, and cyberpunk. Night Cafe has got what it takes to offer diversity in terms of what you wish to generate. It has numerous algorithms and options, and is known to be quite powerful yet easy to use for novice users. The software is based on a credit system. A free account will give you 5 credits, but you can earn free credits by actively participating in the community and doing other recommended steps. Some of the features of Night Cafe are: 1. You are free to add cultural genres or artists' modifiers. 2. The tool also lets you create videos. 3. It allows you to download 5 artworks daily without any watermark. 4. You are also free to download your generated art but in low resolutions. Number 7. Wombo Art. Dream by Wombo is a fantastic AI art generator that lets you create phenomenal masterpieces on your phone, tablet, or computer. Its AI-based complex algorithms deeply understand your text prompts, which is enough to generate a unique artwork. There are a lot of styles you can choose, like realistic, vibrant, psychic, fantasy art, mystical, and more. Some of the features of Wombo Art are: 1. You can use the generated art as NFT. 2. They have their own community in which you can share your art. 3. You can download your work for free. 4. It is safe to use, and the software gets cooler with each update. Number 8. Deep Dream. This AI art generator by Google is one of the trendiest AI art generators available in the market. It is an aggregate of different tools that allows you to explore several AI algorithms. Based on your uploaded image, this AI art generator generates artwork that will resemble your uploaded image but with enhanced features. This is one of the unique AI art generators that allows you to generate striking paintings of diverse genres. The art that is being generated can also be used as NFTs. Some of the features of Deep Dream are: 1. It is an advanced technique based on great processing power. 2. These tools generate the art fast with less waiting time. 3. Deep Dream Generator uses numerous painting styles to produce images. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.